Alright, well, now we're going to the car wash. Alright, Mom, you have to keep going until there's a buzz.
Alright.
You have to keep going until the light makes a noise. Keep going. Stop. It's put your car in park.
Or neutral.
Park now. You have to put in park.
Really?
Alright, now. It's so loud.
And where's it go?
It's coming in a minute. There's a sunroof up here in this van. Ooh.
Here's it go.
Here it comes. And the light is blinking. There's a light. Ooh. It's a multi-colored soap.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Right, now here come the brushes. Now the brushes are on. This car wash is so loud. This is the loudest car wash we've ever been to. And the top of the touching the sunroof. Oh!
Scary. What? Laugh is scary.
I think it's pretty fun. It is kind of strange. The buses are shutting off. This car is noisy. I think it's rubbing the wheels. There's my dollar syndicate book. And now it's rubbing the top of the car. Alright, there's no more loudness. No more. Right, everything just shut off. Alright, I think it's rinsing. Very smooth rinse.
Where are the blowers?
I think they'll come on in a few seconds. My mom calls them the blowers, and I call them the dryers. There's the BP over there. This may be the part where the dryers come on. It's either the dryers are coming on or it's still rinsing. I think this is the last rinse. It smells really good in here.
It does.
The spot-free rinse, I think. The rinse smells really good. And I don't know why there's a cabinet next to the car. It's kind of odd.
Maybe that's where they store the soap.
I guess. Alright.
Or the mechanical parts, any parts that are broken.
I think it's drying. usually go to. Oh wait, now the topple is spinning. I think you use your wipers to dry the rest. And your real wiper? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, it's coming back. It's coming back to the front again. Hey Mom, there's something I want to show you after the car wash. Okay. Here's what me and my dad did after the car wash.
I just want to go to Dunkin' Donuts.
Right. I want to show you something that me and Dad did when we went to the car wash. This car wash is in Charlotte, I think.
That's right, it is in Charlotte.
Right. Wait, Mom. Hang on. I want to show you something real quick, Mom. I want to show you something real quick.
Okay.
So guess what? Watch this. You can touch the brush.
All right. How does it feel?
It feels like some sort of yellow cloth.
Like a sponge?
Sort of, yeah. All right. What you think of that car wash, Mom?
Oh, I thought it was pretty cool.
It was pretty interesting.